If you guys want to find someone to do SFS with, you just have to look up related pages. So let's say you have 10,000 followers and you're trying to find someone to do SFS with. How do you do it, right? So let's say you're in the cars, right? Another page is 10,000 followers, but all you can do is find pages with 100,000. So what you're gonna want to do, and I'm gonna show you right here on the screen, you're gonna go to their following, or you can follow them and look at all of the related pages and just try to fish for all of those 10K pages, guys. They're out there, you just gotta find them, put in the work. Once you find all of these pages, you're just gonna hit them, slide in their DMs, just be like, SFS, bro. That's literally all you have to say, just SFS. Most people know what it is if you're on Instagram. I would just recommend messaging as many people as you can, because the more people you do SFS with, the better it is. Obviously, just because they have 10,000 followers doesn't mean you should do it with them. You also have to make sure that their activity is good. Just make sure their activity is close to yours, because activity does count, because they could have 10,000 followers and only be getting 50 likes, and you could be over here at 10K and getting 500, you know, some big baller, like real active account, you know, that's not worth it to do it with them. So yeah, once you message all these accounts, you're set, right? You're gonna have a whole list of accounts, and you're never gonna have to find more people. You can just ask them every day to do SFS, and I'm sure they'll be more than glad to do it with you. And then yeah, you're pretty much set. You just keep doing SFS, growing what you want, and you're gonna be getting all this traffic for free. Just by doing SFS, you don't have to do ads or anything. Just free organic traffic. So just some tips and tricks for shoutouts, just some common mistakes I see some people. A lot of people seem to use the same video a lot, and a lot of people really don't like seeing the same video. I've used videos for up to a week, and after that I would recommend switching it. After a week, people will start commenting, they're like, we've seen this video so many times, blah blah blah. So keep it under 7 times or less. That's per account, by the way. So you can get it 7 times per account per week. So if you have 10 accounts, that's 70 times per week. For SFS, the hardest part about it is to get the caption and the video right. You really need a banger. You need a good edit with good music. Capture their attention. Like in that 15-second video, you really need to convince them to follow you in order for them to do it. A lot of people will do it anyways, but for a lot of people, you need to convince them. So if you have a really good video, seeing a lot more results, and it's a lot better to work smarter than harder. So I'd recommend working on the video, just figuring out what works, what doesn't work, keep testing it. It really does work, guys. If it doesn't work, then you just have to try something new, keep testing it, learn from your mistakes. Again, thanks everyone for watching, sticking to the end, and peace.